Hello hoteliers, are you still struggling with your traditional payment methods and looking for a secure and a convenient way to accept payments online? So look no further. Here we have is Qlo app's Razorpay Payment Gateway module. Hi, I'm Ashish, and today in this video we'll discuss how you can install and configure Qlo app's Razorpay Payment Gateway module. Qlo app's Razorpay Payment Gateway module allows you to accept online payments using the Razorpay Payment Gateway. Now, using this Razorpay Payment Gateway, you can accept transactions from any type of credit cards, debit cards, UPI, net banking, and bank transfers. Now, let's see how we can go ahead and further install and configure Qlo app's Razorpay Payment Gateway module. But before we start, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.
Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webcool.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog section, where you can check the features and configurations and get to know functionalities of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video.
Installing any module is very easy on Qlo apps. Let's see how we can install Qlo app's Razorpay Payment Gateway module. To install the new module, first we have to click on Modules and Services tab and then go to Manage Modules. Once we reach to the Manage Modules, click on Add New Module, and from here we need to choose a file. Select the zip file of the module and click on Upload and Install. As you can see, we have successfully installed the module. Now let's go ahead and configure this. To further configure the module, as you can see, we have the option available here. Click on Configure. And here we have the configuration settings of the Razorpay Payment Gateway module. First and foremost is Enable Live Mode. So the specific option allows us to use the payment gateway in a sandbox module or on a live module. Sandbox module basically means the testing module on which you can further test your payment gateway by transferring dummy account and dummy currency. The next one is the API key. API key ID will be fetched from the Razorpay account. The same goes with the API key secret as well. So these two details will be fetched from the Razorpay account. Third option we have here is theme color. By using this option, we can set up the theme color of the payment gateway that we have when we go ahead and pay the module. Using this option, we can set the theme of the Razorpay Payment Gateway module. By using this theme color, we can further change the color of the payment gateway interface available on the booking website. So as of now, it is on black. Now for the next step, let's see how we can go ahead and create our Razorpay account and then fetch the API details from it. First and foremost, we have to go ahead and create your Razorpay account. Once you have successfully created your Razorpay account, we'll have the dashboard right here. Just after the login, this will be the UI that you'll get. To access the API details, go to Accounts and Settings and click on API keys. Once you click on the API keys, you have the API keys available. Choose the most recent created one and click on Generate Test Key. Once you generate this test key, you'll have the key ID for the API as well as the key secret. You just have to simply copy this and paste it in the relevant fields. Once both of the detail has been successfully pasted, click on Save. As you can see, we have successfully updated the API key and the settings for the same. Now let's see how this will turn out to be onto the front end of the booking website. So this is our booking website. Now let's try to create a dummy booking and see how the payment gateway will look like. Select the hotel, enter any check-in or check-out date. Let's create the booking for the deluxe room. Proceed to checkout. Now as you can see in the payment information, we have several payment gateway available, and amongst them that is Pay by Razorpay. So this shows that the payment gateway was successfully installed. Now let's try to go ahead and pay from this one. So once you choose the Razorpay payment gateway module here, you'll have the total amount and all the relevant details you need to add in order to go ahead. As you can see, the website is still under the Now let's try to create a dummy booking and see how the payment gateway will look like. Now let's create a dummy booking by clicking on to the hotel, entering the check-in and check-out date, and click on search. Click on book now for this particular room. Proceed to checkout. Next. Proceed for the guest information. And as you can see, we have the third payment gateway available which says Pay by Razorpay. Click on to the Razorpay, and here you'll see the total amount and all the relevant details that you need to add in order to go ahead and make this purchase.
I hope by now you have understood how to install and configure Qlo app Razorpay payment gateway module. Now go ahead and take advantage of this useful module and accept online payments much securely and smoothly. If you still have any questions, feel free to reach us at support@webpool.com, or you can directly raise a ticket at webpool.uvides.com. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next one.